Hello guys, this video is showing how to install TBS Agent Lite TBS Agent Lite LUA script onto your remote controller. The LUA script is some kind of software that will control the related equipment that linked to your video, controlling signal transmitter like the Team-blacksheep here, the Crossfire system. It is going to look like this once you install it, and you can access to this website through teamblacksheep.com/download, and then it's going to appear onto the top of the page. Is looks like this, and then you scroll down and until you see the TBS Agent Lite paragraph, and then your requirement of your video is that you need Freedom TX script, OpenTX script, or H2X script, and how to install those scripts I will not talk about it in this video because it's not related to the TBS Agent Lite installation, and the version that you need are indicated here. So, and let's go to the download. You just click here, the download link, and then it also say that current version is here. So I have already downloaded, and it takes a short while, and then inside that folder here is the folder. It is Agent Lite -098. Click into it, and then click into it again, and then click into the script, and then into the tools. By the way, I recommend you to read the README file, especially if your transmitter has the color LED screen. Because if you have the color LED screen, then here you will need to set up the widget like this. Where is it? Here, for color LCD, not LED, LCD screen radios, you have to move another file under the folder widgets here, TBS Agent Lite under the widgets folder into the widget folder of your SD transmitters SD card as well. So there are two different approach. If your LCD screen is black and white, then you do for the number one here, and then the running application here. If your transmitter has a color LCD screen, then you have to do both one and two under the installation. There are more procedure for the color LCD screen to follow through under here too. So, okay, let's. My transmitter is the normal black and white screen, so I will just take out the SD card on the back of my transmitter out, insert into my computer, showing I need so on the left window is the downloaded TBS Agent Lite script. On the right window is the SD card in my transmitter. And then I will need just to open the script that I have downloaded under the tool folder. And then it's a script 2, and then here 1 and 2 items. 2 items here with the TBS Agent Lite folder and the TBS Agent Lite LUA file. Two two items, and then you copy it, and then you go to the SD card info data here, and then you go to the script folder, and then you go to the tool folder, and then you just right click and paste, which I have already done. You click paste, and then it will take like 1 minute to download from your computer into the SD card of your transmitter, and then you will get this TBS Agent Lite, TBS Agent Lite LUA script, and then the folder here. So, and that is it for the computer part, and then now you can just eject your SD card. Put it back to your radio transmitter. Up, up. You follow the instruction under the running application paragraph, and then here long press the menu, Don't press the menu button here. And then uh, select now the number two, select the TBS Agent Lite and press enter. So the TBS Agent Lite here, the lowest script of my transmitter. So you just find the TBS Agent 0.98 script and then enter. And here you go. Now you can connect to your the setting of your transmitter, Crossfire transmitter, and if your drone is on, and there should be all the Team-blacksheep equipment listed under this section as well, like the video transmitter, the Team-blacksheep receive Crossfire receiver, and etc. Okay, that's it, and see you next video. Bye bye.